The next thing we'll be covering are triggers and bindings in Azure Functions. Triggers and bindings let you avoid hard-coding access to other services and abstracting away boilerplate code, keeping your functions lean. What is a trigger? A trigger is a specific type of event which causes the function to run. It defines how a function is invoked, and a function must only have one trigger. Triggers can have associated data, which is often provided as the payload of the function. What is a binding? Bindings define if your function is connected to another service. The data from bindings is provided to the function as parameters. Bindings are optional, and a function can have multiple input and output bindings. Azure Functions support a wide range of bindings to facilitate integration and data processing. These include storage solutions like Blob Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure SQL. Dapper, Event Grid, and Event Hub cater to event-driven architectures, with IoT Hub focusing on event data from hardware devices. HTTP and webhooks facilitate real-time data interaction, while Kafka processes streamed data. Mobile apps helps in mobile development, and notification hubs are for push notifications. Queue Storage, RabbitMQ, a messaging broker, and Service Bus ensure seamless data transfer and messaging. SendGrid optimizes email delivery. SignalR, an open-source .NET library, provides asynchronous notifications to web apps. Table Storage is a NoSQL key value store. Timer triggers are based on schedule rejects expressions, and Twilio offers a cloud platform for voice and text messaging systems. The table provides a breakdown of various Azure Functions integrations and their support across versions 1, X, and 2, X and higher. Both Blob Storage and Azure Cosmos DB are fully supported across all categories for both versions. Azure Data Explorer, Azure SQL, Dapper, Kafka, and SignalR are supported from version 2, X onwards. Some integrations, such as mobile apps, notification hubs, and SendGrid, have limited support across the versions, specifically with triggers, inputs, or outputs. Others, like Event Grid, Event Hubs, HTTP and webhooks, IoT Hub, Queue Storage, Service Bus, and Table Storage have broad support but may lack in one or two categories. Overall, Azure Functions offer serverless computation and seamless service integration. Using triggers and bindings, they eliminate redundant code. The platform supports diverse bindings, but some integrations have limits.